Hey everybody, I'm in the kitchen today. We're gonna make some pork loin chicken fried steaks. So y'all stick around and see what I do. Well, I'm gonna cut some about maybe 3/4 inch slices. One. 3/4 1 inch, whatever is comfortable for you. I think I'll make one extra. Save this back for some stew. Now, I'm gonna take these babies. Drop one in a bag. I'm not even gonna trim the fat off. I'll leave that on there for some flavor. I'll get the air out though. I need to wash my hands real quick. Rinse it off. All right. Well, we're gonna beat it up. Hard to see what you're doing now. But that way you won't beat a hole in your plastic in your bag. Flip that sucker over that way and beat it up some. Oop, I'm missing a piece. Over here. That's just tenderizing it. A little bit more over here, I believe. On the other side, just keep flipping it till you get it flat. About 1/4 inch. I need a better hammer. They're hard to find. Anyway, this is what it's going to look like. That's what it's going to look like right there. That got a lot of fat right there, but you can eat around it. I might trim some of that off right there. I'll go ahead and do that now. Just trim that off. That's good enough. So I'm gonna beat these other two out, and I'll be right back with y'all. No use of y'all watching that. You seen one, you seen it all. Well, we got the oil warming up. I'm seasoning the meat. I'm using some Zatarain's Cajun seasoning. I wanted to have a lot of flavor. zeta in, some black pepper. Not gonna use no salt because Zeta-Rin's is salty enough. I wish I could find a seasoning that doesn't have a salt. So if y'all know of one, please leave me a comment. Besides Mrs. Dash too. That just ain't coming out good. I think I already did this. Let's get, what are you doing? Go ruin my meat. Sprinkle that over here. She took the lid off thinking she's just gonna sprinkle pepper. Pepper pours out. It don't sprinkle. Excuse me. Get this all ready. Brandy's already got the egg wash ready with seasoning in it. And she got the flour ready. She put seasoning in that. And put a little cayenne pepper in both. A little bit, not a lot. Is that pepper? No, ain't pepper this. It's coming out, you just can't hardly see it. Coming out light. Let me get that other one. I think it's got bigger holes in it. The old-fashioned ones. Remember these? I love these. Now, it comes out. Oh, yeah. You have to watch these. They'll pour it out. Flip that one over. That stuff is strong.
That pepper gets you every time.
My mama, every time she get around black pepper, she'll start sneezing. We'd laugh at her. All right. We just gonna single dip or double dip?
There ain't no harm in double dipping.
How about we just put some, I need some baking soda in this.
Baking soda?
Baking soda. I need this baking soda. Hang on. Try to get this, get it hot, ready. It's in there. Bacon. That's what I meant, baking powder. I don't know why I said baking soda. I meant baking powder. Okay. About that much. You put seasoning on it?
Yes, I put seasoning all in it.
Look at that, guys. Talking about a great sandwich. Shake that up, baby.
Shake, shake, shake. I love these new bows that my daughter got me for Christmas from Sam's.
I think we need 2 sets of them.
I think we do too.
That's what she said too. She was gonna buy her another set.
Another set?
Yeah.
There you go. Y'all, I gotta take this hoodie off.
I think I should have got a bigger bowl for the egg wash. start off in the flour. Then we throw it in the egg wash, which should have been a bigger bowl. Do it. I guess that's gonna work. Not really. I'm gonna splash it all out. They're making a mess over here.
Here we go. There you go.
Shake it, take it, take it, take it. Hey, clean that mess up. There. Did you put your milk in it?
Yep.
Gonna have to put a little more, bro.
Yep.
And the time has come. And I think that didn't work out right. Okay, guys, I hope y'all stay with me.
This is a funny blooper part. You know, you got them in each show.
I don't even know if that's hot enough. Yeah, it might be. See if I can get it to lay in there flat now. There we go. Oh, let's see.
You looking for something to put it on?
You ain't got no chips left. Move. Crank up the heat a little more. Don't want to burn it though. Whoa! Hey, what's my toes, girl? Well, we're gonna fry this one up. Y'all just hang in there.
Yeah.
Then we'll fry the other two off camera.
It's already smelling good.
Yeah, that's smelling wonderful. Getting crispy already. I've done this once before and made a sandwich with it. Oh my God.
What kind of sandwich you made?
This beats the heck out of them spicy chicken sandwiches.
Oh, yeah.
They need to put this in the restaurant.
And we're gonna have rice with gravy and Lone Star Pioneering. Les and Teresa brought us over some canned carrots with Lipton soup onion mix in them. So we're gonna have some of these tonight.
Who is that?
Les and Teresa with Lone Star Pioneering.
Yeah, we'll leave a link in the description for them.
Yes. Look
They
at,
brought all kinds of stuff over for us to try.
yes. So this is gonna be That's what I wanted to try mainly.
I'm interested in the canned meat. I never had that before, except for Wolf Brand chili.
Yeah. We're gonna, me and Teresa's gonna get in the kitchen one day and make a video on some canning meat and stuff. She's gonna teach me how to do that.
I don't know exactly how long to fry it on each side. I never timed it. I guess I should have. I just kind of look. That looks pretty good to me.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
You've got to use your own judgment. Just take a look, and if it don't look like it's ready, don't flip it. All you got to do is raise it up and look under it. Actually, I need to turn that heat down a little bit now since it got heated up.
Heat it up, heat it up.
Heat it up. Oh, look, it's smelling great. I can't wait to try a piece.
Tell you what, there's nothing better than a man over the stove cooking.
In a tutu?
In a tutu.
I don't have no tutu on.
With leggings. With tights on.
Well, I almost got tights. How about some workout jogging pants?
There you go.
That slipped. Give me a tongs out of there. That's a little dangerous. It didn't get me, thank God. But it would ever work. The old trusty yayas.
Yayas?
Tongs.
Yeah.
Why ain't it getting done right there?
You might need to push it down a little.
Don't want to overcook it either. So.
Nope.
You right? Oh, well. That ought to be good, y'all. Oh, yeah, that works.
Look at how beautiful that is.
That's a big old steak. Pork steak.
That's breakfast, lunch, and dinner for me.
That's pork loin right there. Well, we're going to get these cooked up, and we'll be right back with y'all. Next video.
Bye, y'all.
It's time for a taste test, guys. I want y'all to look at this pretty steak here. Needs smell-o-vision. So,
It's a major smell-o-vision because it surely does smell good.
we're gonna dive in and give a taste. Already cut a piece off. Almost couldn't wait for y'all. Got Brandy piece. Got me a piece.
I'm going to try mine with rice and gravy.
I'm just gonna put a little gravy on mine. Little gravy on it.
Very, very tender, moist, good flavor. Very good.
Some places still came out thick. I needed to pound it more, but it's great.
And then here's the carrots from Lone Star Pioneering. She canned them with Lipton soup mix.
Hey, you want to eat? Huh?
Oh, very, very good. Are you hungry, baby?
No.
No, what are you picking up for then?
You want some rice?
Some rice?
Rice.
It's hot. You have to blow it.
Yum.
Yeah,
It's hot. Hot, baby. You okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let us end this video. You want to tell them bye?
Bye.
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 Bye. Y'all make sure you like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, give us some thumbs up. If you enjoy this recipe, leave a comment below.
Yep.
Yeah, thumbs up, Autumn.
But
I know I am.
they make great sandwiches. But it's a little thick. Let me show y'all. Still, it needed to be a little bit thinner than that. But it's still delicious. So we'll see
very
y'all
good.
on the next.